Namaste friends, welcome to Show Buzz by Jewel Buzz. We are at SSI Delhi 2nd edition. My pleasure and honor to welcome Mr. Kishore Runwal, Anmol Silver, Bangalore. Namaste Kishore bhai.
Namaste.
Always a pleasure be talking to you.
Thank you.
So generally, even before we get into things, whether it's the market or SSI, what's the sentiment regarding silver?
Silver sentiment is very good compared to the market trend. What is going on? The rates are shooting up. People are showing more confidence and value in silver today.
I see.
Due to the high soaring range in the products of gold and rates of gold. Silver jewelry is doing very good. Articles is doing very good. You can see silver shows. People are jam packed here.
Even gifting, right?
Even gifting is doing very good. And you can see nearly the show is houseful. So it is a great platform now. We can say it is a newborn market for the whole world of silver.
I see.
So SSI is a very good platform. I can talk about it.
Kishore bhai, it's very evident that you're bullish, you're optimistic. When it comes to Anmol Silver, what are you all showcasing at SSI? Delhi?
At SSI, we have come up with various ranges of, if you see the lamps, these are the 4D lamps which were recently launched in the last exhibition, and presently we have added new varieties of it. And this variety is, it is not easy to make, if I tell you, because it has got full of art. You can see the workmanship here.
So
is
it's
full of
craftsmanship.
art. Craftsmanship, art, and it is one of its kind in the market.
It's not machine stamped,
Yeah,
obviously.
this is our USP as of now. People are just coming and really enjoying and seeing the product and placing orders.
Any of the idols collections?
If you come, if you see, you can see the rush also.
Yes.
How Silver Show is doing.
Yes.
Yeah. You can see the frames. We have a lot of varieties in frames. You can see we have come out with a lot of idols. You can see this Ganesha with arch. So Diwali is coming roundabout. Seasons are coming. So people buy all deities, vigras, puja items, and now we are expecting more sales.
You know, SSI has always been about serious business. Tell us about the interaction of retail visitors at your stall.
You can see the crowd here. It is already jam-packed, and crowd is very good here. We are because we are in South, and we are coming here and showcasing our products. We get into the pan-India supply.
Okay.
Let it be from Haryana, Punjab, Jammu, Rajasthan, Gujarat.
Retailers have come from all
People
over.
have come all over from north, east, and west. So for us, it is a very big platform to be here.
So we are looking at firm orders, obviously, right? Serious
Yes,
business.
yes, we have got very good orders, and by God's grace, we have done good. And we thank the SSI show for giving us a platform to showcase our products.
Kishore bhai, before we let you go, going into the festive season and beyond, probably in the next 6 months, 7 months, your overview of the market, your forecast, silver jewelry.
See, silver now, as it has become more valuable, you can see that the products will have more value. Value addition. See, we don't buy copper products, we don't buy aluminum products. And when the silver becomes more valuable, people will buy more. My thought process and perception for silver is this, that the more the rate goes high, the value of the product will get its identity, and people will buy more for gifting, for home articles, utensils, and jewelry. All will do good.
From a US dollar perspective, some people are talking about even touching $50. I mean, that is the bullishness and optimism in silver.
Yes, as of now, the trend is very high, very strong. We don't see markets falling down at any level. Markets are not falling. It's going at a rise, stopping, And we can see from last 30, 45 days, from nearly 2 months, from 1 lakh, silver is touched today 1 lakh 26,000.
Right.
So now we are hoping that it will touch $50. So somewhere silver should cross nearly 150.
Kishore bhai, I take this opportunity from the entire Jewel Plus team to Anmol Silver, to SSI, and to the whole silver industry. All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you for taking.
Kishore bhai, a pleasure being with you.
Thank you.